it's Leah
and Ellie
from Meisner Sewing, and we're excited to announce the upcoming classes this spring and summer.
On April 5th, we have the What's New party for the brand new Brother Aveneer. We'll have a live presentation and demos from a Brother educator. It's time for crafting camp. We have so many fun crafts planned for your kiddos. This week-long crafting camp in June will cover hand sewing, machine sewing, friendship bracelets, watercolor painting, and hand embroidery. Your kids will have a completed project to take home every day and get to make friends and be their creative selves.
And lastly, we have Kids Sewing Camp. This week-long camp in July is for kiddos 8 to 12 who would love to begin their sewing journey. They will sew a pillowcase, a tote bag, and a drawstring backpack. Interested in any of these classes? Sign up at meisnersewing.com.